Hello guys and welcome back into our channel. In today's video you are going to learn a very unique strategy which you may have seen previously, but this is explained step by step so you can easily understand what you should do to make it really work. So I have a lot of people who with this kind of strategy and with this kind of platform, they tell me that they are not getting money, they are getting scammed and so, but this is a strategy, this is a tutorial on how you can earn money online with this website and to earn this big amount of money online with just using it step by step. So in order to not get scammed and in order to make it work, you will need to watch the video till the end with a lot of attention so you can easily understand how you can start make money like that. You will have this amount of money into your PayPal account or other bank account, it doesn't matter. You can use all of them. Everyone can make money online even though that it doesn't have a PayPal but have other bank account. Even though that you belong from different places of the world, you can see here that all the places are allowed, so everyone can make money with that. Maybe you have never tried to make money online, so this is going to work even though that you have no experience or no special skills at all. You will just need to pay very good attention to this strategy, to this tutorial, so you can understand how you can make it work. Welcome back into Better Personal Growth, where we daily share with you videos of making money online. And if you are a person who really likes to make money online, who loves money making online, and who wants to learn how to make them, make sure to like the channel, to like the videos, to do not hesitate to push the like button very hard, and as well make sure to subscribe and push the notifications on so whenever we post a new video into our channel you will get notified, you will not get to lose them. Now guys, I told you you will need to pay attention, so stick with me till the very end and we will go now to the very first website which is going to pay us money online. At the end of the video I'm gonna teach you even how you can earn more extra amount of money online, same as I'm able to earn right now over here by just using a bonus tip. So CPA Grip, guys, I'm sure that all of you know this platform, but maybe there are people who have never heard about this. So this is a platform which is going to perform with marketing tools and will give you money for just doing that. So you will get paid for doing marketing with this platform. You can become a publisher and an advertiser with this platform. They are offering full support staff, dedicated payments team, go global directly, fast payments and best tools and technology. You can see here even other information, pictures about how it looks and other stuff like that, but what is important is the publisher testimonials. You can make it here clear and sure that this is a legit platform and it's not scam, so you can use it totally without not worrying about if you're going to get scammed or stuff like that. Now, what is important here is the payment of amount that this platform will give you. As you may see, they have noted it here that you can earn up to $100 by just using this platform per day with them. So it's per day and it means that you will earn a very good amount of money by just using it. Now let's just go back to the very beginning of the page and click into register. So we will need to create a account that is totally for free to register there. So just sign up there and create some information about yourself, like first name, last name, other information. Note, guys, that the ones that are with this red star, they are mandatory to use. The other ones are not. Choose the place where you become from and as well choose the time zone. You will need to choose the GTM that is exact with the one that you belong from, so from the places that you are from. So note that you will need to choose the one that is from your place. And as soon as you create your new account, this is how it's going to look like. This is the dashboard of the place, and you can see here in the right corner of the page the dashboard, the statistics and charts, the monetization tools, offer tools, postback tools, referral programs, payment center, and account settings. Payment center, you can just click here how many money you have earned by just using the platform. Even here you can see the amounts of money that you have earned by just using it. For the moment mine is 0 because it's total. This is a total new account that I just opened to share with you this information. And what we're gonna do with this platform is just clicking into offer tools, and after that into my offers. And as soon as you click there, this is how it's going to look like. Now guys, into countries, you will choose between all the countries that you can belong from, but in the beginning you can just choose all the countries, and after that you can choose between of the offers, and you see where is this offer available. Now these are the offers. You can see that different offers have different payments amount of money. They are giving the type, the category, the image, the title and description, payout, and other information as well. What is important for us is the payout option. You can see that these platforms or these offers vary from the cheapest one to the expensive ones. What is important for us is the expensive one. So if we choose between of them, for example, I'm just gonna open this one. This is only allowed in Spain. So what we're gonna do is just choose in Spain, America, Italy, or stuff like that. I'm just clicking into Spain, so you can see an option of how much you can earn with Spain options or Spain offers. As you may see in the very end of the page, you can see here other informations or other offers that they are offering. Now just choose between of them, and you will see directly that you will have the affiliate link that you can make a referral. So you will just choose the place where you belong from, and you will choose the offers that are offered there. So you can just copy the link now and share it with other people, and you can start earning more money online. But before you're going there, what is important, guys, is something very good to use. It's this platform, bitly.com. I'm sure that you know this platform, and I'm sure that you know what it does. It's to shorten your affiliate link. So you can just paste here your affiliate link, and you can shorten it so you can have more possibilities to earn extra amount of money online. Now this is not mandatory, but I highly recommend that. And as well, the other tip that I'm going to suggest to you is going to canva.com. And what is Canva? It's a platform which is going to help you to make different designs about different themes. So just go to Canva, create a new account into it, and after that just create something so you can share with the other people, and you can earn more money online, because people are going to see what they're going to earn. So to not make this a video longer, I have just prepared a design right over here, and you can see that I have typed on here earn money or gift card or PC4. So it depended on the offer that you're offering to the people. So you can just do something like that, and in the right corner of the page you can just go to elements and search for, like, for example, PC4. And you can search different images to use, so you can add them right over here, and you can make people to click more into your affiliate link. As soon as you download this image, what you're gonna do is take your affiliate link from URL shortener, and after that going to this very good platform which is going to secure you a lot of traffic, twitter.com. I'm sure that you know Twitter because a lot of people are using it. So you can just go to Twitter and post your affiliate link together with the Canva design that you got. So you can see here people signing in into your affiliate link, and you will start getting money only for just bringing signups to this platform. Only by just doing that, you will earn a big amount of money online. Remember, guys, that the offer that we're choosing here, it's almost $9. So just for one single sign up, you will earn $9 within a minute, and you will be possible to earn the amounts of money that I've just earned with this platform. If you learned something new here today and you liked it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to push the notification on. Thank you for watching.